Today we will discuss on topic OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. I am not obsessive, I am not obsessive. This is the obsession. Obsessive means thought pattern or thinking pattern. And OCD is an anxiety disorder distinct by recurring thought that cause anxiety and the impulse to perform certain action in order to relieve the anxiety. Obsession, recurrent persistent thought, impulse, image that enters the mind, can't be eliminated by consciousness, by logic or reasoning, involuntary, ego dystonic. Ego dystonic means कि unwanted thought or impulse not acceptable to conscious subconscious mind, that's a ego dystonic. Or ego syntonic means thought or impulse unwanted, acceptable. Obsession characteristic features subjective sense of struggle, conviction that to think it to make it more likely to happen, recognize as own, regarded as untrue and senseless, general about matters that are distressing, often accompanied by compulsion. Pathology, compulsion means action, behavior. Pathological need to act and impulse that if restricted produce anxiety, repetitive behavior in response to an obsession performed according to certain rules with no true and it's in itself. The obsession or compulsion are the significant source of distress to the individual. This is the OCD cycle, like obsession, anxiety, compulsion and relief. If once an obsession or thinking develop in the patient mind, then it will produce anxiety. For relieving of the anxiety, patient do action or behavior like compulsion. After that he get relief, and sometimes he get relief, then again start this cycle from obsession. There are various causes of the OCD in short, like neurobiological, psychological, environmental, any stress factor, familial, economical factors, and neurobiological, the neurochemicals decrease in the OCD like glutamate, serotonin, like that. And psychological anxiety, depression, and stress, this is continue ongoing. It will lead, or any childhood trauma, it may lead to OCD in further adolescent age group, and like Tourette syndrome, like that situation. Neurotransmitter, serotonin, this is the neurotransmitter decrease in OCD cycle, OCD phenomena. Serotonin generally produce CSF platelet. This is the regarding about the cycle of the neurobiological serotonin transformation and transport. Dysfunction of the so-called corticosteatothalamic lobes. If we get MRI of the OCD patient, CT MRI will showing decreased size of chordate nuclei. PET scan increase activity in frontal lobe, orbitofrontal cortex and basal ganglia, chordate nucleus and thalamus. OCD is a significant genetic component, 3 to 5 times higher for probability to OCD in the relative of the proband with OCD. Concordance for OCD in the twins is significantly higher for non-zygote twins than the dizygote twins. Environmental factor, early childhood conflict. There is in the early theory that suggests conflict or problem during childhood are the root of OCD. There is looking at either permissive or many unengaged parenting teaching techniques. Compulsive behavior, Neutralizing either through compulsive behavior or mental strategy is aimed at preventing terrible consequences or avert possibility of the being responsible. Seeking reassurance is another form of the neutralizing, as is to can serve to spread responsibility to others, thus diluting that of the individual. Avoidance, though not an overt neutralizing behavior, is often used to prevent contact with particular stimuli. There are some defense mechanisms which are used in the OCD, or which can be used by the patient or by OCD patient. Isolation, it protects an individual from anxiety provoking affect and impulse. Isolation less effective. Patient experiences a partial awareness of the impulse without fully recognize it, meaning impulse is displaced from the true object to other people or object. Undoing, when impulse is constant, threat escape primarily depends of isolation. Secondary defensive operation is started. Compulsive act that is performed is in attempt to prevent or undo consequences that the patient irrationally anticipating from the fighting obsessional thought or impulse. Reaction formation, this is the psychodynamic factor also, manifest pattern of the behavior and consciously experienced attitude that are exactly the opposite of the underlying impulse. Reaction formation result into formation of the character OCD. Ambivalence, present in normal children during the anal sadistic development phase. Children feel both love and murders hate towards the same subject. Patient with OCD often consciously experience both love and hate towards an object. Conflict of the opposing emotional and evident in the patient doing and undoing pattern of behavior, and then paralyzing doubt in the face of choice. Magical thinking. Magical thinking means unwanted mishappening will happen in future. Patients generally think about that. Magical thinking. Inherent in magical thinking is the omnipotence of the thought. An event can occur merely by thinking without intermediate physical action. This feeling causes them to fear having an aggressive thought. This is the obsession prevalence and data. Contamination 45%, pathological doubt 42%. Somatic 36%, aggressiveness 28%, sexual 26%. Compulsion. Most common compulsion behavior is checking 63%, washing 50%, counting 36%, symmetry 28%. Misunderstood. Nobody seems to get me. That they can't understand why I am. With OCD feels. This is the feelings of the patient. I feel depressed because I get stuck in my way and nobody get them or can help me. In crazy, my obsession drive me crazy, wish they would stop. Repetitive, I repeat myself and action over and over and love over and over and over and over and over and over again. Out of control, I can't control my thought, action or myself. It's like I am a character in a video game. OCD make me feel hyper and wild sometimes when it is not ruining my life. Introverted, I find that I am very unfond of others, even my close friend, when my compulsions are really bad. Lazy, I don't enjoy doing things or leaving my house because of the anxiety it causes. I had rather just sit and wait. Nervous, not knowing what is going to happen make me super nervous. Everything has to be planned out and go exactly according to plan. I get anxious when I have compulsion and I obsess over the little things. It's a feeling that never goes away from me. Scared, I get scared when people don't understand me and judge me, and when things don't go according to plan, get afraid something will happen to me. OCD prevalence, this is the fourth most common psychiatric disorder. Is a chronic psychiatric disorder, is one of the 10 most disabling medical conditions worldwide. And treatment, in OCD treatment generally we can give SSRI, escitalopram, fluoxetine, fluoxamine, and psychotherapy. In psychotherapy we can give CBT, cognitive behavior therapy or behavior therapy. It will take for 12 to 16 sessions. In CBT, thought stopping, response prevention, exposure, most effective for OCD. Supportive therapy also helpful. In pharmacotherapy like fluoxamine, fluoxetine, paroxetine, sertraline, citalopram, escitalopram, atypical antipsychotic. Sometimes we can add in resistant SCD. Anti-anxiety drugs we can give clonazepam and clomipram TCA we can give. And another adjunctive therapy we can use like lithium, buspirone, trazodone, venlafaxine, like that. ECT also we can use in resistant OCD. Neurosurgery, cingulotomy, anti-cingulotomy, anti-capsulotomy, like it can be used. Thank you.